The skies are calling. Once, daring biplanes soared over Kentucky's fields. Today, a new adventure at Kentucky Kingdom captures the spirit of those fearless pilots, bringing thrills to a new generation. Introducing Flying Fox. Taking flight this spring, Flying Fox takes you higher, faster, bolder. An experience where the bravest sky adventurers take the controls. Now, it's your turn to prove your skill, your speed, and your daring. Strap in and soar on Kentucky's newest suspended coaster, created in partnership with Vekoma, one of the world's leading roller coaster designers. Made for all generations, Flying Fox climbs more than 6 stories high, racing along over a quarter-mile of winding track, testing your adventurous spirit with every twist, turn, and drop, bringing you closer to earning your wings. And this is just the beginning. Flying Fox is part of the boldest expansion in Kentucky Kingdom's history. An exciting, multi-phased, multi-year plan to take family fun to new heights over the next decade, all with a Kentucky twist. We're looking for recruits bold enough to take off with the next generation of daredevil pilots. Do you have what it takes? The sky belongs to the fearless. Step up, strap in, take flight. Flying Fox, only at Kentucky Kingdom.